Hey guys, so I'm on the streets of Lagos and I'm in the popular computer village. So let's go in. Located in the heart of Ikeja, Lagos is a place called Computer Village. No, it's not a village. It is just the name given to a place known as West Africa's largest phone and gadgets hub. According to a 2020 report by Business Day NG, this hub produces 1 billion naira daily for the Nigerian economy and pays millions in taxes monthly to Lagos State and the federal government. Computer Village houses a lot of vendors who provide a wide range of services, including sales, swap, and repair of phones, laptops, and other gadgets. These vendors deal in the sale of popular brands like iPhone, Samsung, Itel, Tecno, Infinix, and even unpopular brands. Even though this hub is located in southwestern Nigeria, it houses a lot of vendors from southeastern Nigeria. It also houses vendors from other parts of Nigeria, and there are some Chinese and Lebanese vendors in this hub. So on one sunny day, I set out on a journey to Computer Village to go explore and have a chat with some vendors. I found out a whole lot, had a lot of fun, and also recorded some of the conversations for your viewing pleasure. This video focuses on the chat I had with Mr. Chinedu of J. Paulson Phone World. A lot of tea was spilled in this chat, and I really do not think you will want to miss out on this. So do well to sit back, relax, and enjoy. Hey people, what's poppin'? Kilo Shale, Ogini Name. Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite Achalugo, Chidera Giselle on the microphone. If you're new here, hi, I'm Dara. You are welcome to my channel. You guys, I'm sorry for this laughter. So I'm from that village, Lagos, and I'm in a store called J. Paulson Phone World. You can see the number for every type of iPhone. You are going to be getting it here, and there's a lot of crowd here. It looks like a lot of things are going on here. You know the gist about Computer Village, how they make a lot of millions here. I'm here to interview one of the store owners in Computer Village. So without further talk, let us go meet the owner of the store. Good afternoon, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay, sir, please, can you hold the mic? Or can you pin it on your plate?
Okay.
Okay, good afternoon, sir.
I'm good.
Okay, sir, so I'm Chidera. Please, can you introduce yourself, sir?
My name is Chinedu.
Okay, sir, please, can you take the mic closer?
My name is Chinedu.
Okay.
I'm one of the representatives of this company.
Okay, sir. Do you have a nickname, like a particular name they call you here? Like if I enter Computer Village now and I'm looking for you, what will I tell them?
J. Paulson Phones.
J. Paulson Phone, and they'll bring me to this store.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anywhere you are.
Okay, so this job you are doing here, can you like tell us when you started? Like, did you come to Computer Village and you established immediately, or you just started small?
There's no way you come here and establish immediately.
Wow.
You have to have experience before you start. If you don't have experience, don't think you're going to do it, succeed in business.
Okay, so where did you get the experience from? How did you get it?
Well, anyway, we are, like I say, that so many people in this place. Those people here is the artisans. They are learning.
Okay, like one boy. One boy.
Not like
okay.
One boy. It's advanced now. Not like one boy again. One boy is just village slang. So everybody here is educated.
Okay.
So you just come to get experience, acquire knowledge of this business. Then you want to start. You want to start in any way you want to start, and any level you start.
For like how long do they learn the work?
Don't use learning the work.
Okay, but how long do they gain the experience?
It depends how fast you are, how intelligent you are. So if you want to learn the job, or let me follow you learn the job. Sorry, at least if you start and you put your focus on the job, you get the job within 3 months or 4 months.
Wow, 3 months. So me now as a girl, can I come here now and say I want to come and learn the job and have a store in Computer Village? Do they have ladies that have? If you can pay attention and focus on your job, or focus on other things that move around. You can other things that move around, like
there's so many things that move around here.
Okay. No, like it sounds as if I don't follow men. You know, some girls who come and they follow.
I say move around. That's what I use.
Okay, so move around. Other things that move around.
Smiling. There's some guys there who want to smile like you. If you follow them, that is.
Okay, so you said there are a lot of educated people here, a lot of graduates. So when you came here, did you come as a graduate or a school
That's
leaver?
why I'm telling you that nothing like learning job or one or something here. If you are educated, if you go to school, you spend years in the school. You don't expect to come here to say one boy. You come here as look at ourselves here as educated people who want to come together, who want to benefit from one thing or the other.
Okay. So there's one rumor we usually hear that in this computer village, and there are so many people now that they have something like this umbrella, like small stores like this, and they are making millions every day. Do you think it's true?
Every day?
Yes.
Well, anyway, it depends on what you sell, and it depends how perfect you are in what you are doing.
Okay.
We make millions every day. You see how country is now. This country is very difficult. So people don't have money. People are looking for money now. If you said before, you say millions, 9 million. I wish to make millions every day.
Wow.
And so you make a lot. You make money. Not that you're making millions. It depends how you. You make money, but not like making millions every day.
But there are people here now that have worked here, and now they have mansions, duplexes.
Many of them.
Wow. Wow. This small place like this.
Yes.
Okay, so your wife and your children, do they sometimes visit you in your store?
Sure.
They visit you in your store sometimes. Wow. Okay, so in your next word now, let's say you're entering into this word. There's a question I want to ask you.
Okay.
In your next word, you're entering into this word and they're telling you, okay, choose where you want to work. Will you choose to work here?
Anywhere God carry me, go.
Okay, anywhere God carry you, go. Then you go work.
Yes.
Okay, you not choose to work here. You know, some people ask and they'll say, I love this work and I'll choose to work here.
It depends.
In my next work.
I don't know. All I know is everybody has their own.
Jesus.
That's why I say anybody carry me. Anybody carry me, go.
God carry me go Canada.
Anybody go Canada. Anybody go America, South Africa.
I will never choose Nigeria.
Why?
Nigeria and suffer now. This suffer not reach you.
Well, it says some people need mansion, are they suffering? People that make money here need mansion, are they suffering?
Okay, but now this fuel scarcity thing now, you know they affect you. How do you think they affect your business?
You know,
like this to turn on your lights.
You can see how empty this place is.
Okay.
Yeah, empty. As I mean, normal time, normal people, that will do. You come here now, you will be there.
Wow.
I will not allow you to enter.
There will be a lot of crowd.
People will be here. I will allow you to do here, and I'll give them some more time to do that because you serve my customers.
Okay.
So they affect me this way.
So it's affecting you like you would have had a lot of customers here. Okay, thank you very, very much, sir. So, sir, if someone wants to come to your store now to get something, like you deal on iPhones iPhones alone, like different types of iPhones from
iPhones, Samsung phones, and cloud. You can see them there.
Okay, iPhone, Samsung phones. Okay, I can take a video. Okay, please, can you follow me around? So these are some phones in the store. You can see a whole lot of iPhones, different colors, different types of iPhones, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14. All of them are right here. And there are a lot of customers here. You can see all the customers, like a lot of people. But he said on a normal day, the shop is supposed to be very, very full. But because of the fuel scarcity, a lot of people are not here. Maybe everybody's trying to get fuel and all that. But you can see how the store looks. There's even an AC here. It's a really, really massive place. Look at the design. There's even a CCTV camera here to monitor everything that goes on right here, and there are a lot of people here also working. So yeah, this is really, really massive. So in case you want to get iPhones, Samsungs and all that, come to Computer Village and locate J Paulson Phone World Limited, and you're really, really going to enjoy the service because they have a whole lot of customers and it speaks volumes. If you have a lot of customers, it means that you are doing something right. So I think J Paulson is doing something right. Yeah, so guys, that's going to be it for J Paulson Phone World. Let us go on to another person. Guys, this will bring us to the end of this particular video. So I'm going to post another episode of Computer Village, and in that episode you're going to be learning a lot of things, especially how not to get scammed or deceived in Computer Village. So if you're going to be interested in that, do well to hit the red subscribe button, like this video, comment on this video, share this video. Let's move this ministry to the permanent site, and hopefully I am going to be seeing you guys in my next video. For now, bye, kiss, love ya.
Hi, I'm Olivia. Subscribe to Chidera's vlog.
Please subscribe to Chidera's vlog.
Please subscribe to Chidera's vlog.
Chidera's vlog to the world. Subscribe to Chidera's vlog on YouTube. Subscribe to Chidera's vlog on YouTube, and tell your friends to subscribe to Chidera's vlog on YouTube.